Alright, it should be working now. Third attempt. Backtesting every day until Bruffle day 144. I'm gonna check if it's actually working now. It should be like I'm gonna watch from my phone. I'm on my laptop, so this is the first time I'm actually doing a session on my laptop. But we'll see. Kind of getting prepared for also um when I'm on holidays, I will also be backtesting. What is it on my laptop? So this will be an experiment. Let's see if it actually is working now. If I go to my YouTube and then live. I don't know if I'm actually live. Stop streaming, it says. Okay, so let's just go into the session. And I think I am streaming, but I'm not yet on YouTube live. Okay, but yeah, I am now. I don't know if my screen is stretched also. I don't think it is. This is already a terrible session. Alright, so where did I left off yesterday? So again, I want to backtest August and December 2021. I'm also kind of sick, like everything. But yeah, I'm at like the end of December. And still, I want to backtest specifically these 2 months because I've already seen from a bit of data like my strategy doesn't perform so well in these months. So I want to make an actual conclusion from this because I want to do this full time. In the end, I want to I want to get the conclusion out of this. Will I be trading this when I am trading full time? Will I be trading these 2 months then, or am I like if the data tells me that I should never ever trade these months because my results are that bad in it? Then yeah, that's what I'd like to get. But yeah, let's just see. I think my screen is alright. It's not stretched. Yeah, it's good. All right. Yo, Max, consistency is key. Good job, bro. You're doing good. Wetenschap, dankjewel. I'm reading reading it from my phone. How are you? How are you, Max? So let's see. So this is 20th of December, and then open up Forex Factory, December 2021. So, and that's right here. So the reason why I'm backtesting on my laptop is, wait, that's November. The reason why I'm backtesting on my laptop is today was a pretty busy day, I would say, and I was with my girlfriend the entire day, and she's now gaming here next to me on my on my PC, so she still has something to do. So that's why I'm trying it on my laptop. I'm good, thanks. Nice, man. That's good to hear. Any plans for the weekend, or still any plans for the weekend, or just chill weekend? So yeah, let's see. Monday, right, we don't have any news, so I'm skipping this. Tuesday, no news. And then Wednesday, only AM session trading. And then Thursday, the entire day trading. Friday, bank holiday. I don't know what this... Oh, this is Christmas. Alright, so that makes sense. Yeah, almost, I think this will be the last trading weekend, and it's again done for the data with this year. Yeah, so there's no other trading days in this. So only these 2 days, and then I'm done with this specific session for these 2 months this year. But Monday, no news. Going to Tuesday, only AM session trading. And yeah, so let's see. And this is so much slower than on my PC. I'm so much quicker with a mouse. But it's alright. We'll come there. Not really, honestly, about you. Do I have any plans for tomorrow? I think tomorrow just with family, but no, nothing else. Yo, Pluto, yo, man, how are you? Just to ask, do you really think a strategy can perform bad in some months? Like, I didn't saw all the other recaps, but how does it come to think a strategy performs bad in some months? Maybe it's just, maybe it is, right? Just want to know the reason. It definitely is. Like, there is, like, you can just look it up, like, seasonal tendencies, and I really think that's, like, a reason for my, I don't know how to spell it, tendencies. Like here, that just like some months your strategy doesn't perform so well because some months in the market could be more bullish or bearish and it can just be more trendy or trending, and then some other months just aren't and then just way slower. But there's a lot of on it. There's a lot on it, and like you can see something repeating. Like here, look at all these. This is all your USD, but you can see in like August, like most of the time in August. I don't know if this is like that's just the market is more of the time bearish in August, but yeah, that's definitely like for me, like August and December are just yeah, it is something that is real that I could just tell already. It really is real. December price action is bad for most strategies. That's good too. Yeah. What evidence? December is historically more bullish. I don't know if it actually is historically or more bullish, but for me, I just know it's more it's bad for me. Like if I can go to yeah, this is just 2021 and 2020. These are just all more trending and stuff, but in other years. But it is really a thing, seasonal tendencies. It doesn't really mean that my strategy doesn't perform good when we aren't trending, but it just means it just is once we are in like August and December, I've seen that months are just the volume is way lower. Like that makes sense. Like if the big players in the market are trading normally they are trading like in the months normally they are trading, of course, and then when the holidays come in December, like we are nearing holidays there, and then just those big players just get time off, like they're not trading. Like that makes sense to see the market being slower. Like that all makes sense there. I don't know if I can how am I gonna do this. I think I'm gonna do it like this. Interesting. December for me was crazy. Good. Yeah, that is like I don't know if you're trading IC concepts, but just it doesn't mean if you're trading IC concepts it's if for you it also will be bad. Like that isn't the case. But for I also wouldn't say for most, but I've heard a lot of people say that December price action is just bad for them. But that doesn't mean everyone, of course. To me, December price action just feels a lot more random than other months. Some things just don't make sense to me in December. Problem could be me too. Nice blue. Yeah, what I've seen is wait, these I don't even have these on my chart anymore. Those hours or those weeks. But what I've seen is December, August and December, like the price action is just way slower. It still goes to like the objective for the day or the week, in my opinion, but it just goes there way slower. So a lot more chop, a lot more manipulation. So when we have like a 9:30 opening, like we could just go to like, let's say we have buy set up here, and then we could go to the buy set and trade all the way lower again, and then maybe take it at like the end of New York session. Like eventually it does go there, but just way a lot more manipulation. That's from what I've seen, just way more manipulation. But yeah, let's see what I actually would be looking for here. So we have taken the sell side below here. I would actually be bullish in this. So yeah, looking for long second REC. Like I'm not gonna what is it? To put too much drawings on because I can't really or that takes way longer from my laptop. But I already know, okay, bullish because clear time frame we are bullish from here. So looking at the weekly, we are holding this gap here. We did take out the liquidity inside of here, which we had a singular daily busy. I still know this, and then we close below this, and that tells me okay, we should go to the sell side. But after the sell side is taken, I should be looking for bullish prices or yeah, bullish prices. And then yeah, the weekly is still bullish. No changes in safe delivery on NQ we did, but still following the bullish trend doesn't mean anything. So I'm looking for longs. I don't have to be correct and say like, oh yeah, we at least go here like right now, but it just could be a small push. That's already fine. We do an SMT ties. I don't like this, but looking at this, a market maker buy model. We do have stages of accumulations or stages of accumulation here. So annoying. My nose. And then stage accumulation here, and then we have another one here, and another one here. All right, so let's see. We're all holding a gap in here, which is a singular 30 minute, and then on the yes, we are also holding probably a 1 hour senior 1 hour BC. So if we close below this on NQ, which we already did actually, and then also close below this 1 hour on ES, then I could be looking for shorts until the range low, which would then be this low on ES, and then from there again I would be bullish. But from what it's looking like now, I'm still bullish. So on the AM session trading, we don't have high impact follower news. This would be a low hanging fruit on this time frame here, and then here on ES. All right, and let's see. Just looking at the structure, do we have any really clean lows in here? Okay, it looks like we already have taken these clean lows out here. Could be like an accumulation here, manipulation, and then this looks like maybe a distribution. But we do have 930 opening, could be like a Judas swing lows. We'll see. I'm not trying ICT concepts, didn't work for me. Like that could be like from what I've seen as well, or like not like a conclusion, but I've heard people say that don't trade ICT concepts, that December and August are their best ones. Like that would also make sense. Like I think basically ICT concepts basically go against, like not most strategies, but against support and resistance it does go. So if you're trading that, then that makes sense. Yo, Darius, what's up, man? It's been yeah, I just wanted to say I haven't seen you for a long time, man. How are you? How are you, man? Had some good holidays? Alright, so let's see. Oh. So playing this out. My nose is so annoying. So could be part of a Judas swing here. Nothing here, waiting, trading lower. And I'm gonna mark out this 1 hour gap on ES. Because if we're gonna close below, then I'm looking for shorts. My nose, man, it's so annoying. Wow. Alright, this here. And again, like I really didn't feel like backtesting today. I've hit more times. Like sometimes I just wanna. Today, my girlfriend was doing something. I was laying in her bed and I was just falling asleep. And I just thought, well, I could. That was like what was it, 2 hours ago, and I really could just go sleep there because I was so tired. I was fixing something with the internet cable at her not her house, but where she lives. And I was just so tired, man. And I just thought, like, I really want to go to sleep, but I still have to backtest because I was there the entire day. And like it's like it's also a good thing because otherwise I would just feel like I don't know, being lazy. But I don't know if being lazy is a word for that. But I don't know, like I can skip it, of course, which I'm not doing. But yeah, I do feel like not backtesting sometimes. I was in relax mode. Nice, man. Oh, you haven't been training then as well? 2 weeks? Now it's time to lock in again. Nice, man. Now I'm just like literally trading inducement. Supply and demand, but based off inducements, allow to trade against every trade. Yeah, also then, yeah. So obviously it looks like we're going lower, but I'm still looking for bullish prices. Where are we actually? Or 10 a.m. Maybe this close below actually. Okay, now we did close below, but as you can see, NQ also took out the sell side there. So again, still I'd be bullish. What do we have in here? We do have a singular 8 hour gap in here, which we are also below. Didn't close below, so nothing yet. So then we do have this range here, which I could mark out with optimal trade entry. And then on ES, do we have another singular gap then? Also close below this one, and then singular gap which probably be on the 6 hour here, which I will mark out because we're already in here on Q. Obviously we're trending lower, but still I'm looking for bullish prices. If we just keep continuing lower, like I'm not interested, that's totally fine. We'll see what we do. We don't have meetings or something, right? Oh, wait, what? I thought this was... Alright, so Tuesday, no news. So I'm not even trading this day. Wow. Going to Wednesday, and this is... I am trading this AM session only. Okay, so... Alright, so... Yeah, look at that. That's really nice. Optimal trade entry, still respecting gap. That's what I was looking for, but not trading on a day without news. But again, that's beautiful. In December, that's looks pretty clean. Alright. But what would I be looking for on this Wednesday where we don't have any news? Move all this, all this, all this. Let's go so much lower. Alright, so that's a drawn queen, which is already taken there as well. And then This is now the drawn liquidity. There's no other stage accumulation in between here. All right, so right there. Okay, so I'm looking for longs all the way up there, which is crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, but we'll see. This will be yeah, only the Wednesday and then the Thursday, and then no trading, and then or no trading. Then it would be done with this session. Looks like we're trading in a gap here. We do have a lot of clean highs here. We do have an SMT there also. Looking at ES, yeah, we do have an SMT. Still does look clean on NQ. Still respecting the gap in here, which is a senior 1 hour here, and then ES does close below it, but still I'm not looking at ES as like this closes below. Now I want to look for shorts because bigger time frame is still bullish, and then NQ is still respecting it as a bullish gap, or still, yeah, still in that bullish gap. So looking for longs here. I think this just could be a 930 push. Hopefully it doesn't just push right away into the buy side. But yeah, looking for longs. We'll see what we do. Playing on the price here. Yeah, there it is already. All right, so that's that buy side taken as low hanging fruit. And then now the next strong liquidity is going to be all the way higher up there. And then we'll see what we do. I don't know how I feel about backtesting on my laptop, but when I'm traveling, like I have no choice. Like I'm not gonna skip a day, so I'm gonna be backtesting. I already see it, like I can already imagine it, like my like backtesting on the airport or something. Because I was actually thinking like next year, I'm going to Australia for region. Maybe I'll make a video on it. I don't know, but going to Australia, and that'll be a long trip. Like it's not a flight you take with like a few hours and then you're there. Like it's gonna be how much is it? Like total flight hours is gonna be like 22, 23 hours, which is crazy. Like those are just the flights, and then I take two or three flights. And then like I'm not gonna skip a day. Like I'm gonna be backtesting on the airport, and I can already imagine me doing it, which is funny. Yeah, I need to get used to it. Anyway, so it's good. So what do we have here? We have nothing here, so just waiting for more structure. Did we take like equal lows here? Yeah, we did on ES, but already here ES took already the high where we break even. We do have a big SMT now already moving in tandem here, so far nothing yet for me. I don't know why it does that. Okay, now it doesn't anymore. If we inverse this, and that's an entry, which did we already? No. I think now we did. Yeah, we did. All right, 10:32 in the right time as well. Only AM session trading because of medium impact folder news. And then, yeah, now already moving in tandem here again. Break even solution gonna be at the high here on ES. And then on NQ it's gonna be at, that's already taken, so it's gonna be up here. It's gonna be really tight as well. Place order, save. And then first EP will be a fixed 1 and 2 because the drawn liquidity is all the way there, the stage accumulation, so we'll see. Oh my god, my nose. And also what I said with like now feeling to backtest, also because my nose and my, I don't know, with it's just the flu, but still it's so annoying. Nothing yet. Now I'll be break even, so really tight break even trade, and it's got hit, so beautiful. That's oh, that's a TP. Okay, so 75% off there. And full TP will be at a 3.5, which will be a fixed RR as well. And then that will be full TP. I think I noticed, and I don't know if that's always, but I can't take a 3.5 exactly. So it's going to be always a 3.49 over a 3.51, which that's fine. But yeah, I'm going to play this out, stops at break even. And beautiful. All right, so that got fully hit. Nice trade. That's like 1 and 2, I think. 1 to 2 are 75% off here. All right, it's on the top and then the left. All right, and then 3.5 is full TP. And then, yeah, let's see, like, for me, the buys would still be bullish because we're trading towards the drawn liquidity there. But yeah, it's not realistic. Like this is beyond the 1 to 8 RR. Like I can already see. Like what is this? 1 to 20. Like that's not realistic. So I want to see what the rest of the day did here. So this is a nice trade. Let's see what the rest of the day did. The, heel the entire laptop shaking. Sorry. All right. So that's lunch. And then yeah, we did go higher, drop all the way lower. Then this is the PM session, and then push higher as well. But I think that should just be it. Yeah. Oh, okay. We do expand higher in that last hour, but still, it was a pretty good day for December price action, I would say. So gonna copy this. Yeah. That's a screenshot. I don't know how to copy the link actually. I don't know what that is. On Mac, I don't know what key that is. And then I don't have like this Mac. I did last year, so I don't know that much yet about it. And this is on a stop step X. Wow. That's on a Wednesday. So Wednesday, that'll be a nice W. All right. Going to the next day, which will be Thursday, and that will be the last day training of this session. Not for like this backtesting session, but for yeah, this specific backtest session. So August and December, I mean. Makes sense why trading performs good in December. Good for you though. Is there any limit to how many trades you're allowed to take per day? I take max 2 losses a day, then I walk away, or I take 1 W a day, then I walk away. If I take a break-even trade, then I'm allowed to get in. Like then I have another opportunity. Then I'm allowed to wait for another opportunity. But yeah, 1 max win a day or 2 max losses a day, then I walk away. It's that simple. And I had it at like first it was max 2 losses a day, and then I can take 2 W's a day. So let's say I take 1 win a day. Let's say yeah, I start the day with 1 win. I first was allowed to take another trade, which could have been a loss, could have been a win. If it was a win, then I could have made more. If it was a loss, and I would still be up on the day. But eventually, like it sounded better than actually when it is like when you are doing it, because when you take a W on a day, like let's say you're up $1,000 and then you lose, and then I'm down $500. Then I'll be up $500 on the day, but I was up $1,000, and I was looking at it that way. Like I could have made $1,000, and now I only have $500. Like I said, like yeah, that's personal. Like of course it could still be valid for people, but I found like yeah, that's not like I thought I knew myself, but no, I want to be once I take a W and then get that amount of profit, I want to keep that amount of profit for the day. And it's also like really nice. Like if I'm in a trade, I take the trade, I set my stop loss, and then I set my alerts. So once either my stop gets hit, so I set an alert at my stop, or I set an alert at the break-even point. So once that break-even point gets hit, I get an alert, I adjust the position, I set my stop to break even, and then again, I add new alerts. So I set an alert for my TP, and I set an alert for at my break even. And then again, I just close the charts. Like it's that simple. And then I wait until one of those alerts get hit. If I take a break even, then yeah, I'm break even for that day. So didn't take any other trade, would be break even. And then I'm back on the charts again, or the next session. And if TP gets hit, then I don't have to do anything. Like I see the alert, TP is hit, and then I see that on my phone, and I don't have to do anything. Like I saw that now from a few trades. Like I'm on a 3-4 winning streak now with TopStepX, the account now. Like I came back from I was down $48K $500, and I had like, or $48K $500, $48K $900, something in between there. Yeah, I was pretty down bad. I was down. And I came back with like I'm at a 3 winning streak or 4 winning streak now, and yeah, from what I've seen, like that's something else that you don't see in backtesting, but you only see in live trading. And that's something that I found that I really like. Like I really like that. Just sending alerts and then not doing anything, just closing your charts, because I've seen also when I'm trading on my I have my main monitor here and then my secondary monitor here on the left. Then I just see the position running and I can see it going in red and green, and I don't like to see that. Like I don't like to see that. So I just close the charts, and that's really nice. That's like the really chill thing about trading. Like that could be trading. That could be powerful trading. Yeah, a lot of yapping. Sorry. Okay, 8:30 news. We'll see what we do. 9:30 juice swing could go lower. Looking at the structure here. Do we have any really clean lows? We already had like a manipulation here, so I think this is a pretty safe low. It's still 9:30 could go lower. Don't think 9:30 could go lower all the way in here. We do have liquidity inside of the imbalance, but I don't know. The bear time for buy is still bullish for me. 9:30 maybe could take out this low. We'll see how far it could go. Maybe it doesn't even want to manipulate lower still. We'll see. And play this out right away into that low hanging fruits. Oh. All right, we'll see. Trading lower, nothing here. 2 minutes, no, 1 minute. No, nothing in here. They take equal lows now on ES. 956. They normally would be 9.3. Closing above, taking out the equal lows here, and then closing above, but 9.55. Doesn't matter that we have high impact fuller news or no. 5 minutes before a 4-hour candle opening, so 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. For New York session, I'm not trading after 10 a.m. So I'm waiting. So this would be break-even trade, maybe W, I don't know. Yeah, break-even trade, but yeah, now after 10 a.m. So this is the 4-hour candle opening. Could have like manipulation lower at 4-hour, the 4-hour, like the open, low, and then I'm expecting for it to be a bullish candle. And we'll see. Do we have any manipulation? No. I'm still waiting. Alright, let's see. And then yeah, just continuing following the trend. Like obviously it looks really bullish, and I already was bullish, but still not getting, we're still not being in an entry. We're still defined, but still just continuing to take an entry in this trending market. Now close above, but this is where I would be break even, so no trade here. Waiting, damn, my nose. Again, equal lows taken on yes. If we close above here, that's an entry, which we do. 10:37 in the right time as well. Stop at the low. This is where I'd be break even, so a really tight break even trade. Or really tight, what is it? Yeah, break even. It could be. We'll see. And then there on yes is where I'll be break even. And then gonna place the order. Save. If it's gonna, yeah. First TP will be a fixed 1 and 2 because the draw on liquidity is still all the way up there. So it's gonna be fixed 1 and 2. It'll be right here. And for a full TP will be a 3.5 if this is inside a 1 to 8, which I don't think it is. Yeah, no. So it's gonna be a 3.5 full TP if we even want to get there. So we'll see. Just first gonna play this out. I think this at least will be a break even. Right, and nothing yet. Waiting. That's a break even. Do we wanna expand higher again? Just that's the, oh, I'm getting called on my phone. Now on my iPad. All right. I'm not gonna take that. Yo, Bart, what's up, man? How are you? That's a valid rule. Sounds like your self-reflection pretty accurate, which is very important with trading. Yeah, I think it's like, I have to take this. 1 second. All right, I have to go really quick, just for a minute, but 1 second. How am I gonna do this? Camera just turns off. All right, be right back. Sorry. Doe even de deur open voor Nathan. Stil. Eerste. Ik ben zo klaar. Ja. Alright, brother, this entire session is scuffed. What did I want to say? Stop the breaking. Wait, first let me do this. Alright, so far this looks good actually. Wow. Need to catch my breath. Crazy. Alright. That's the 1 and 2. Crazy. Another TP. 1 and 2 are here. But yeah, what did I want to say? Sounds like your self-reflection pretty accurate, which is very important with trading. Yeah, I think it is. Like, that has to also go with ego. Like, that's something I really, how do you say it? Like, something I despise, or I don't know how to really say it, but I think that would be the word for it. But like trading, ego with trading, like, I think everyone already had the moment, or maybe people have had that moment, not yet, but they will. Like when you think you know the markets better, that you always know the markets better, that you are the best trader. It's like maybe you're on a winning streak and you think you're the best trader. And also I thought that in the beginning, the reason, or not the reason, but I was always pretty, not gonna lie, I was always pretty good at video games. And I thought, okay, trading, I'm just gonna approach this like a video game, and I'm just gonna beat it. Like I'm gonna be one of the best traders. Like I really thought that. Like I thought it was like that. It can't be that hard. Like if someone else can do it, then I can do it too. Pretty big ego with all that combined, and the market just like it always. Like I haven't even live traded, but you can see it from everyone, and the markets will always humble you. Like you can't beat the markets. Like you can. Yeah, you can beat the market. You can't beat the markets, but you can try to get something out of it. But like a markets will always humble you, and that's something, that's a saying. Like I'm saying like someone else, so everyone says that, but it really is true. Like you can't really 100% beat the markets. You can't be the best. You can't be the best in this really. It's just so hard. And trading with ego, like you will always get humbled, and that's just the reality with trading. And like with the question, or with like with self-reflection, if you had too big of an ego and not really self-reflecting, then it just, and yeah, you're thinking that you're the best, like you don't need any improvements, like you can do trading without journaling. You can, like everyone says that you should be journaling, but no, I can do it without journaling. Like I'm that one, and you aren't that one. Like you aren't the one that's gonna change how trading should be doing. Like you don't want to be ignoring the full-time traders and thinking you know better. Like that's what I knew, and that just goes with that as well. Love yapping, but still, I think that. But yeah, that is just true. Don't worry about it. The most important thing is that you're backtesting even when you don't feel like it. Yeah, that's I think that's an important thing as well. Like yeah, it's just I would say that's just discipline, I would say then, yeah. And I think that's also something like discipline, consistency. I think that's all you really need with I think almost everything, maybe everything. And not that I found that out myself, or yeah, maybe I did, but also just looking at other people. Like if you really think about everything, like someone, like how someone achieved something, it has to do with discipline and consistency, those two things, and then maybe something else. But discipline and consistency, you could see it, you could find it back in everyone. Just pick an example. I don't know, like who would be a big one? Elon Musk, for example. Like it could be anyone, but like what he is doing, he did it with consistency, he did it with discipline, and probably also dedication is maybe also another one. Or I have a background on my phone which I really like, and it's gonna be obsession is gonna be talent every time. I don't know if you know where it is from, but obsession is gonna, yeah, it is gonna be talent every time. That I really like. You could go deep about it, but yeah, it's just a really nice saying. I should actually copy this because I'm already at the screen for like 5-10 minutes. But yeah, that's also like a thing. Dedication or what is it? Yeah, dedication. Yeah, that's just like those three things. Like I think those are the most important thing for like everything you want to learn, get better at. Those three things are maybe the most important ones. Um, I'm uh, I'm sleeping. Where was I? Thursday. So again, another nice trade, and then this was the last trade for this 2021 session, because now I take one W and then I'm done for this. But again, I think the results are good, which I don't like. Like I want to be in, as I said, I want to have terrible results in these months, because I actually don't want to be trading these months later in when I will be doing this full time. Because I've already seen from that data like the months aren't the best. But again, if data just shows me again, like actual data, if it shows me again like these months are, I get good results from it, then I should be trading it. Like I'm not ignoring data. I'm not trading on my feelings. I'm trading on actual data. And again, yeah, like 2.40%. And then here as well, I was in a bit of drawdown. Not that much. Like this still looks healthy. But yeah, again, I now did 3 years of these months. August and December, looking at this data, I want to do 2 more years of data, because I've seen from 2024, December was just terrible for me. I think I want to be trading 2024 December and then do that as like the 5th year, and then 4th year, maybe like 2023. But yeah, this was like the first one. Was in pretty big drawdown here, and then like the half of the month in August, then it was good. Yeah, and then December here did end in drawdown. So December, August, okay. December drawdown, so that's good. And then 2019. Again, I can agree. Can be hard at first though. I realize you're never going to be perfect in trading. Yeah, that's also something. Like trading is pretty scary actually. Like you could just go months without making actual profits. Like it could be like, you don't know what the markets are gonna do. Like you could say, oh yeah, you probably are, like if you are experienced, you probably are gonna make money, but it could also be you're not gonna make money for a lot of months. Like it could be. That's just a scary thing about trading. And also the thing that you could make a mouse slip and then go in with 100 minis and then blow your entire account if you're trading live. Like that's also a small thing that could happen. Like it could be. It's just crazy with trading actually what actually could be. Like not that happens often, but still it could be. If you're persistent enough, I believe that there's no way that you're not gonna make your goals happen. Oh, my goals, you mean? Yeah. No, thank you, man. Thank you. All right, and yeah, okay. Let's just go with the session. I don't know how long I've been backtesting now. Actually, I don't even know I can actually see it. Where can I see that? Oh, 40 minutes. Okay. Yeah, a lot of yapping. Sorry. And then what was here? Yeah, August good. December also good, and then now this was 2.40% August and then 2.40% December, and then I'm gonna make a new one actually. But thank you, Max. Already how you're talking, Max? Like I don't know, but you it sounds like you already know. Like if you I think I said it already that time, but if you would tell me you already have 10 years of experience in trading, then I would believe you as well. Like you know what you're saying. 3-minute yapception, 10-minute backtesting. Yeah, it's I don't know, but it's fun also to yap, and it is about trading. So yeah, August and December 2023. I'm gonna do 2023 from this, and then go for the 5th year. This is the 4th year, and then the 5th year I'll go to 2024. Thank you. Yes. And then go to why does it do this if I double click? All right, so 2023, and go to August, and then go to like the 31st of July then. And then here I'll go to, what? Here I'll go to 2024, and then the 1st of January. All right, then I have to make a new one of this one, which this is also something like, I always have to look how I really do this. Doesn't matter which one I do, but I'm gonna duplicate this one. Should have a 1, yeah, and then rename it, and I'm backtesting August, and this will be 2023. All right, and then put this in my favorites. It should be here, yeah, and then here, and then I need to delete all of this. No, I didn't take much trade actually. Like I haven't looked at the data yet. Like I do it like once, twice, once a week I would say. But yeah, I haven't looked at all of this data yet, so I have to do that soon. And then see like what are my best days, what are my worst days, but also like how many trades I took, and then how many break-even trades total. Yeah, I can see it all here. It's something like, it doesn't look clean, but it works. But I have to look at that like probably tomorrow. So tomorrow will just be, I like Sundays, looking at the week ahead, and then also looking at the previous week. Looking at the previous week, and then also looking at the next week. Sundays are just the best for that. Yeah, okay, so 2023. Let's go. Yeah, well, personally, I'm a very obsessive person, so when I like something, I give it my all. After learning about trading for about 2 months now, put a lot of time into already. Nice, man, nice. Sounds really good, man. How I've been learning. Nice, yeah. Nice, man. And then also, Max, do you what do you do? Do you have school still, or do you work full time? I don't know if I already asked the question. Sorry if I forgot, but if you say like, oh yeah, I work at this, then probably I will remember. Yo, NQ, trading big profits in 2025, man. Yeah, man. Hopefully, hopefully this year will be the year, and manifesting it for this to be the year. Then for me, I'll actually make some profits off trading. How has 2025 been for you so far, NQ? 31st July, go to next day, which will be the 1st of August. All right, so go to this, and 1st of August. All right, so we have high impact folder news, NFP week, OPEC meetings, not trading this, but it's also the day before NFP, so I will be trading this anyway. So it looks like a good trading week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. This Tuesday, what is the bigger time frame doing? What are we? We're obviously on the weekly, we are bullish, no changes, stay delivery, just a bullish trend. So let's see what we have here. We do have an SMT at the low, supporting that bullish trend, so that looks good. Oh, it's already playing. Okay. Yeah, draw on liquidity, that'll be here for NQ, or yes, that's already taken on NQ, but still I mark it out because that's all-time highs. That's still a significant high. Then here on NQ. All right, so we are trading lower. Where are we trading lower into? Did we influence anything? No. So obviously this already looks bullish to me. No reason to look for lower prices. Also a bullish or an 8-hour busy, signal busy, which is supporting price. And then this will be low hanging fruit. All right, and then on the yes, that'll be a singular 6 hour. That'll be a singular 6 hour gap, which we didn't tap into, but we don't have to. IQ is already in the gap there. We don't have to tap it. All right. I'm in Udemy currently. How about you? I just finished my my study. It was Ja, in Dutch, leefstijl coach. It's a MBO 4 opleiding. What are you studying, Max? So far, starting off 2025 strong, up 1,000. Nice, NQ, nice. Is that on that and that on that same funnel account? What was it? It was a 10k account, 10k funnel account. We do have an SMT with this, but still, there's no reason for me to be looking for lower prices. So still, we're gonna be looking for higher. That'll be that'll be stage accumulation, and then this will be stage accumulation as well. Yeah, I just finished my study, and then now this year I'm kind of done with school. Like I wanna probably do HBO next year, but this year I just wanna be working. I'm working as a fitness coach, as a personal trainer, and I thought about doing something else. Like I applied for a job, which was IT. Like I still want to do that, but my brother also works there. I wanted to do that because I'm also pretty good with computers, I would say. But yeah, I couldn't get that because I didn't have any experience with that, which also makes sense, of course. But yeah, why not try it? And that's what I did. And I still probably want to do something more because I want to be working more. I want to be working like I want to combine it with training as well. Like not that training goes first, like work goes first, obviously. But maybe if I can get some nice what is it? Some nice times to like some nice what is it? How do you say it? Like just times when you work. Like if I could combine that with training, maybe I could work at like I want to mostly do the mornings and then as early as possible. Like I don't care if I'm working at 6 a.m. if I'm done at like 2 or 3 just before market open. Like for me that would be perfect. Like I'm looking for something like that, and then something something like that, something I can combine with trading, but still work goes first. So also it doesn't matter if I can't trade a day or two in the week, or maybe even no trading day at all. But yeah, I want to work more. Niet geschoten is altijd mis. Ja, zeker. Zeker. That's how we say it. All right, so obviously we're pushing lower. I'm gonna mark out 9:30 because that's an hour ahead again because of that daylight time shift. So that's 9:30 opening already. So I was looking for bullish price. Obviously this there's nothing in here for me. Now we gotta finally push higher, but still this would be an inversion on what like 3 minute actually. Okay, so one more minute and it's got equal lows. It is gonna be an entry. This is something I have to take. I really don't like it, but I have to take it. Why don't I like it? Because the stop is huge. Like my break-even would already be right here, or actually, I would actually be here. So, but it would be a really big stop, which is yeah, it's all right. But yeah, I have to take it. So we have taken equal lows here, and then this would be the inversion, right there. Sorry for my nose. That would be the inversion. Yeah, crazy big stop. I think this changed. I think this isn't, it shouldn't be long here. Yeah. All right, so there. All right. And then look at this. Like this is the stop. This is just crazy. And then this is the break even. And then this is something like I don't like, but it could be a huge push. This is the break even, 0.42 hour there. I think it at least should be break even trade, but who knows? All right, so I'm just gonna take this, place order, save, and I could not take this and then zoom in, but this could also be a trade which goes to TP, and I've been through this sometimes already, of course, when I don't like the trade, when I think, oh, the stop is too big, like I'm just gonna wait for like a retracement, and then what we did that day is we never ever got another opportunity to enter, and we eventually did go to TP, and that just, for me, that's the worst thing. When I'm in a trade and when I was supposed to be in there, but I couldn't be in there, or I chose to not be in there because I didn't like it, or yeah, and then I miss it. Like that's the worst thing. Like for me, it's not like getting stopped out with like a tick. Like that also sucks, of course, but getting stopped out and then running to TP, like that's fine to me. But if I was supposed to be in there and I wasn't, then that's the worst thing for me. So that's why I now always take the trade if I have to, and again it doesn't, which is crazy, right? Okay, now it doesn't, right? So yeah, that's a break even right there. And then when the break even, like I've already seen, okay, when the break even is really tight, so then I do get stopped at break even, which is totally fine. And then when it does, like I have nothing to lose. Now I can look for another entry. Now I can make it better. So it's just again, it all leads back to just take the trade. Just take the trade, and yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna copy the link. Man, my nose. Sounds good. Yo, Remy, what's up? Nah, WI. What? And then this will be a break even in August. That's the first trade there, which is totally fine. And now I can look for another opportunity. How long have I been backlasting now? Like I'm gonna end it at 1 hour because okay, 15 minutes because my nose just. I'm gonna sneeze my nose 1 second. I'm sorry, but I don't wanna be leaking. Let me 1 second. I'm gonna change my camera, or what is it? Turn off my camera. 1 second. All right, so back. Okay, so a break even trade. Now I'm zooming in again, looking for another trade. This is a break even, which is totally fine. And then yeah, still bullish bias. That's now taken. Look at that open inefficiency reaction though. Now we take equal lows, so you have an inversion here, maybe a fixed one. I think we do. Again, why does it do this? 1, 2. 11:08. This is in the right time. Now we have taken the low here, low here. This looks really zoomed in, but this is something I could say like this again would work really nicely, which I think this would be a really nice trade. But again, if I knew everything by experience, then I shouldn't even be needing a strategy, and I could just trade off experience. But I think this looks really good. Is it gonna work? I don't know, but we'll see. 1-1 break even. It's just above here. All right, and I break even on yes. That'll be at the high up here. All right, and then first CP minimum 1 and 2, and sci-fi 1 and 3. Sci-fi 1 and 3, so it'll be a fixed 1 and 2. There's nothing else in between here as a stage of accumulation in this market make a buy model. Don't think there is, no, so it's going to be looking at this and a fixed 1 and 2, and then that'll be first full TP. So I'm going to place my order, save, and then 1 and 2, that'll be right there. So we'll see. And that's a loss. All right, so again, just entered, thought it looked really good, and then that's just a break even. That's a loss, a lot of chop there. Eventually we do go lower. I'm still looking for bullish price. This is outside my kill zone though, so I have to look after the PM or at the PM session. This is now a loss. So far it's not that bad actually. Backtesting on the laptop. It's all working fine. It is a bit slower, but what did I just do? Wait, what did I just do? It is a bit slower, but it works. Alright, so yeah, let's see where we're going now, but I have to skip until the PM session. Alright, so far we got a nice reaction, trading lower, taking out the liquidity here, so I have that imbalance. ES taking out the sell side below here. We do have a big SMT now, so it still again looks good for bullish prices. Huge push, low at 12:30 around lunch hour. Lunch hour reversal. I took the long somewhere in here. I think it was right here, somewhere here. Okay, we'll see. I'm gonna play out the structure here. My girlfriend is gaming. What do we do here? Okay, we have taken equal lows. We have a similar gap here. But I would be break even on here already, which he has already ticked, so it's not a trade. I'm waiting for a structure. You drop lower. Where do we go? 5 minutes. 15. We do have a single 15-minute gap here. We didn't take out a range high in here, which is right there. Did we on yes? No, also no. So I'm just, what am I doing? So also looking at this, doesn't matter if it goes below. I still have the range in here, which I could mark out. And then we'll see what we do. Just looking at the structure. Okay, I'm not interested in shorts, so I'm just gonna play this out here. We have stuff out here. We did take equal lows, and we did close above this 1342. Do we have any news actually at 2 p.m. or something? Tuesday, no. Okay, so it would be an entry. Breaking will be here. Could be a nice reaction off of up north entry in here. We did close below the 50-minute gap here, so yeah, that would be a really nice reaction if you do get it. Nice example of working of up north entry working then. That'll be the inversion. And those will be the equal lows taken, or just two lows, like not already equal. Or yeah, I could say equal, but just two lows. And that's the entry. And then stop at the low. Break even is at that black line. First TP will be a minimum of 1 and 2 inside of a 1 and 3. That's not a 1 and 2, so it'll be a 1 and 2 fixed TP. Just a bit higher. And if that's inside of a 1 and 3, then this will be first TP, which it isn't. It's going to be 1 and 2 fixed. And then a drawn liquidity on ES. This was already taken. And then would be all the way up there. So we'll see with this. Again, I think this looks pretty good, but who knows, it could not work out. We'll see. So far, the August price section, I don't think it looks that bad. Like, I think it's looking pretty solid, actually. So, yeah, where are we? There's a 2 minutes. Need to have, like, a buy stop order on this. Oh. Yeah, buy stop, yeah. All right. So, let's see. I'm filled. That's break even. Oh yeah, I'm break even on yes, that would be the same high, which is actually, oh, it wouldn't be even here, because you don't have an open inefficiency. Oh, we do, okay. So that would also be here on yes, which, yes, I took it at the same time now as on NQ. And then we'll play this out. Stops at break even. We'll see what we do. Nice. Oh my god. I need to fix that. I think that's like an extension or like an something I installed on as like an app on this MacBook. Yeah, 1 and 2 fixed. That'll be right here. And then like I don't care about ES now taking the high up here and then NQ didn't. Like for me, the bigger time frame bias is bullish. So I'm expecting for us to just continue the trend and just continue going higher to the buy setup here. So that's not why I'm not taking anything off here at the high here. I also always take a minimum of 1 and 2 R. So that's the reason for it. That we do 1 and 2. I don't know, like it looks like it's gonna get hit, but who knows? So far this price action in August is looking good as well. And then that'll be full TP. Alright, so let's see. That's 75% off. Alright. And then that'll be full TP. Gonna play this out. Oh shit, what time is this? 15:08. I would close that figure for 14:15 or 15:08. 14:50:08. At 15:08, which I thought we weren't even near that, but that was on a 2-minute chart, so that's why. Let's see if I can actually, if it does go back to that 15:08, 15:07, 15:07 candle closure, candle open. I mean, 15:08 then, and then hopefully it does get hit, so I don't have to go back. Oh shit. Okay, so I have to take this all again, and then I think I'm done with the session. So here, replay again. Really nice trade. Oh, Max, you go to the gym yourself too? Yes, man. Yes. Do you, Max? Sounds like League of Legends. No, she was playing Indiana Jones. That new game. I downloaded it through totally illegal through some pirates website. I don't know if you know it, but you can crack game, or the games are cracked there, and you can download it there. So that was break even. Why does it do this? 2 minutes. All right, so let's see. And then where was it? That right there. Okay, 75% off there. And then 1508, that was full TP. Oh my god. Really have to disable something. And almost there. 5, 6, 7. And that is 100% off there. And that's also at 1 and 2. Right there. 2 minutes. How am I getting this? That's not realistic with this. Let's be exactly on here. Go down. Alright. That doesn't do this. Alright, so be it. 1 and 2 are full TP. 1508. Put this on the right. Alright, that's full TP, and that's the last trade. So far this section was a lot of yapping, but also some good trades, which surprises me. Which is okay, which is good. Well, good, I don't know, good, but it's alright. So I'm gonna copy my notes, man. I'm gonna copy it in here, and that's on a Tuesday. That will be a W. I'm gonna copy the link or paste the link in here. And that will be it. Looking at data over here. Oh my god. Here, what do we have? Looking at this, yeah, I just started this. Literally just took 2 trades, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, gonna end it here. Yo, Karoshi, what's up, man? I'm just gonna end it here. Don't know if you said it earlier already, but yeah, gonna end it here. We'll talk to you some other time than Karoshi. Did you also ask for the Notion, by the way, Karoshi? If you otherwise that will be I don't know if people I think also, or no, but we're gonna make a channel in Discord that will have the Notion templates in there. So I'm gonna share it in there, and then if people wanna, I don't know if people still wanted to get it, but we will share it in Discord there, and we'll probably make it like tomorrow. I think it's there tomorrow. I don't think it's that hard, but yeah, gonna end it here. Yeah, thank you for watching, man. Have a great weekend, you as well, man. Thank you, Max as well. Kuroshi, nice weekend. Raimi as well, and one other person as well. Don't know who you are, but everyone, honestly, really appreciate that you were watching. Gonna end it here, and have a nice weekend. I'll be back testing tomorrow again, but otherwise, have a nice weekend. See you guys. Thank you, honestly, really appreciate it. See ya. Bye. See you, Max.